Let's talk about how natural selection changes traits in populations. Have you ever noticed how no two people or animals are exactly the same? Even in the same species, there are differences. Organisms in a species are not identical. They have different traits. These differences are called genetic variations, and they're passed down from parent to offspring through genes. Think about it. In a group of rabbits, some might have thicker fur, some might be faster, and some might be better at hiding. These traits can make a big difference when it comes to survival. Some traits help organisms survive and reproduce better. Now let's talk about something called selective pressure. That's just a fancy way of saying that the environment can be tough. The environment creates challenges. In a specific environment, some traits make it easier to survive. Maybe it's really cold, or there's a predator around, or food is hard to find. In these situations, some traits give certain organisms an advantage. For example, rabbits with thicker fur might survive better in the cold. Lizards that can blend in might avoid predators more easily. The ones with the helpful traits live longer, have more offspring, and pass those traits on to the next generation. The ones without those traits, they might not survive, or if they do, they might not reproduce as well. This brings us to natural selection, one of the coolest ideas in biology. Natural selection is the process where helpful traits become more common in a population over time. Traits that help, they increase because those organisms survive and have more offspring. Traits that hurt, those traits decrease because the organisms that have those traits struggle to survive and have fewer offspring. Over many generations, this shapes the entire population. The population will have more individuals with the helpful traits. You might start off with a few rabbits with thicker fur, and after many generations, most of the rabbits will have thicker fur. This process is a major part of evolution, or how species change over time. But here's the thing. If the environment changes too fast and no organisms have traits to survive the environmental changes, the whole population might go extinct, just like what happened with the dinosaurs. So, the next time you see a squirrel climbing a tree or a fish swimming upstream, remember, its body is full of helpful traits passed down over generations, all thanks to natural selection. Thank you so much for watching this video.